The DNC for the milling machine has finally arrived. This allows you to drip feed the milling machines. I just wanted to show, this is the DNC2, and it seems to only come from Vietnam. So I just want to show you how it arrives, how it's packaged. So let's cut into here carefully. So it comes with a small serial to large serial port cable connection to the machine, DB25, and then here's a DB9 connector on this side. Here's a power supply, an antenna for the Wi-Fi, and here it is, the Micro DNC2. Got our RS232 port. I scratched this with a knife just now. The power in, which is a 12 volt 1 amp power adapter. The antenna for the Wi-Fi, power, and then USB connections. I've got 2 USB ports here. So the antenna attaches into here. On the back there's some pretty large magnets so they can hold on to the metal casing of the CNC control unit. Alright, let's power it up and check it out. The magnets on the back of here aren't nearly as strong as I was hoping they would be. Like, they are, the thing is kind of slipping, like it doesn't even hold its position, so I would not trust these magnets on here. I'm probably going to swap these out with some better magnets because that's not good enough, or some better mounting solution. I was hoping to stick it on here, right about here, and be able to see what the programs on here are running. Now we're going to have to run a power cable all the way from back there to here. I don't know that the serial cable is long enough either to reach from the backpack on the machine to the front here, so might have to put this controller over here until we get a better solution for mounting it. Also, wouldn't want to put the serial cable that far away either because I don't want to introduce more noise. So here's our serial port. So yeah, I want to keep the serial cable as short as possible. Serial port to here. And that's about as far as it goes. It extends. I guess you could have it on the post here and zip tie it around. And this cable's short too, and so with the current RS232 cable, the furthest I can get is about here. And that's kind of a hassle. So not a great setup for the HAAS, but let's take a look at the functionality of this controller and just leave it here for right now, if it doesn't slip down. So power, let's see, the machine needs to be on. Oops, it's not a touchscreen. So maybe let's set up the Wi-Fi first.